Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to take a minute to thank all my new subscribers. We're about to go over that 100 subscriber mark. When we do, I will be doing a giveaway. Stay posted for that video. Everything in my tote will go to whoever wins. I do also have the Blue Blood palette giveaway going on for when we reach 500 subscribers. So if you haven't got entered in that, go back, find that video, follow those rules, and enter. Try your luck, see if you can win. Today we're going to be doing the unbagging of Ipsy. I was able to get on the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. That bag will start next month. Super excited about that. Have been waiting since December, so. But this month, this is the Ipsy Glam Bag for April 2019. It is a vinyl filling bag, which, like I have said, I prefer these bags as to cloth bags. There's something sticky on mine. Okay. It says Ipsy on the little tassel. There's something sticky on mine, but alright. Every month you get a card. Sometimes it's different, sometimes it's the same. Now in spring, or now in season, fresh spring beauty. That is the front of the card. On the back it says build your dream bag. Get any glam bag product you want every month on the 2nd starting at 6 a.m. PST. You'll have a chance to add on whatever deluxe samples or full-size samples, full-size products you like. Mark your calendar and create your ultimate beauty stash. Inside, it gives everything that we received in our bag. I am up a little late, and it sounds like the neighbors are shooting guns. That's the fun part of living in Arkansas and in the country. I live on 4 acres, so we hear everything. The first thing I'm pulling out is from Nomad Cosmetics. This is eyeshadow in Champagne Reef. Nomad's products draw from the beauty of far-flung destinations inspired by the Champagne Reef in Dominican Republic. This finely pigmented golden eyeshadow is made with hemp seed oil to nourish and hydrate the sensitive skin on your lids. The tip is using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Blend eyeshadow onto your lids and up to your brow bone. Pop it on the inner corner of your eye or onto the center of your lids over neutral shadow. I got one of these when I first joined Ipsy and thought this was such a cool little compact. I'm into collecting micro everything. So, this is what that color looks like. That is what that color looks like swatched. So it's a very pretty champagne, hence the name, color. So that will be very pretty. I'm actually trading that to my mother, who I talked into getting Ipsy. She got the green last month that I wanted and did not receive, so I'm going to trade her that one for her green one, and we'll both be happy. The next thing we received was a nail polish. This is by Pretty Woman, nail polish in Wanderlust. This brand's been known for fashion-forward colors and high-quality formulas since 2000, and this beautiful periwinkle blue shade is just what we need for spring. Not only does it flatter all skin tones, it's fast-drying, long-lasting, chip-resistant, and cruelty-free. So I'm totally into the new Blue Blood palette, and this blue nail polish will go great with that. This is the color of that. It's a little darker than the color I have on right now, but it is pretty. It says apply Wanderlust in 3 strokes, starting with the left, right, then center Pull your brush across the tip of your nail. Use a Q-tip dipped in polish remover to clean up any stray marks. We all do that, I believe. I did want to show you the natural color. It seems a little liquidy, but it will dry down. And there is that color. It is a very periwinkle, pretty color. Wipe that off before we get it on something, because God knows I will. So we have a nail polish and a eyeshadow so far. The next thing in here is by Pure Lease. This is the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. The founder of this brand draws from Asian beauty secrets to develop these gorgeous formulas. This lightweight balm is packed with vitamin A, C, and E to help hydrate, brighten, and regenerate your skin cells, and aloe vera and cucumber to calm and reduce redness. The tip is, after cleansing, apply pea-sized dot onto your forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks, and use your fingers to smooth it evenly all over your face. It is safety sealed. So we're going to take that off, and I want to see if it smells like watermelon. And yes, it does. So that'll be awesome. Hopefully my husband doesn't try to eat my face in the middle of the night. It smells really good. And then the last thing we got in here is an Ofra highlighter. I like Ofra highlights, although I'm really stuck on the new Artist Couture highlight that we just got in BoxyCharm. This is the Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive Highlighter. Ofra Cosmetics was founded by girl boss and beauty guru Ofra Gato, and quickly became beloved by celebs and makeup artists alike. This golden shade warms up all skin tones, adds a sun-kissed glow, and reflects light in a totally natural-looking way. The baked formula gives you tons of pigment and an unbeatable sheen. Tip: sweep onto your cheekbone, chin, and down the bridge of your nose for an all-over glow. So I do like Ofra highlighters. They are very pretty. They are very blinding. And there is that highlighter. This one right here. So that'll be nice. And that was the last thing in my bag, so I must have left something in this bag. And I did. For our fifth product, I got a brush. This is Firma Beauty. This is the 103 Angled Contour. Firma Beauty's mission is to keep products out of landfills by using sustainable materials only, and we are here for it. This contour brush is angled to trace the curves of your face for streak-free application, and the soft synthetic bristles hold powder without any spillage. The tip is to find your contour, follow the hollow, suck in your cheeks, and lightly sweep bronzer or contour into the hollows. So right there, right there. This is the second brush I gotten by this company, and this brush is dirty, so don't judge me. But this is the 102, and this is the 103. I use this for my bronzer, actually. I like it for that. It's small, but not so dense that it doesn't move the product. So this would be good for contour, or I usually use these for a blush brush. And since we got the new contour brush in our BoxyCharm, this will most definitely be a new blush brush. So we got the angled brush, the Pure Lease Watermelon Aqua Bomb, the Pretty Woman in Wanderlust, the Nomad eyeshadow in Champagne Reef, and the Ofra highlighter. So those were my 5 products, plus our very cute lemon spring colored bag. Those were the 5 products that came in my Ipsy bag this month. Did you get the same bag? Are we bag twins? Did you like everything you received? Are you going to use everything you received? Comment down below and let me know. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Possibly hit that subscribe button. Come back and see all the new content that I'm putting out. And until next time, you stay beautiful. Bye.